Are you ready? Okay, can I ask some additional teams to come up and set up, please? And considering that this middle podium, or the podium that GeoMusic was just at, the video lead doesn't seem to be working. Let's try and put people that are just going to be a kind of a camera demo on that one, please, okay? So, Team SDK Remix, go.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm Kieran. Wanted to start with a quick survey. Who here's used Facebook? Who here's used Facebook's iOS client, SDK? Could have done with more. Who, whilst using it, felt overwhelmed with love and happiness and felt that they were being looked after and treated well? Yes. Don't be shy, you can put your hands up if you want. Okay, yeah, we felt that way too. And so, as we're talking to the Facebook guys, kind of maybe highlighting a few issues, they threw down the red rag and said, well, why don't you fix it? So we did.
So we've tried to rewrite the Facebook SDK in a night, a little bit tired. What have we done? This is all open source. We've made it all block and delegate. We've got the delegates if you need them, you don't have to. So all of this is block based. We've got all the permissions handled for you, so if you want to get photos, get your friends, get anything. You don't have to know and go and read the docs, you just call some convenience methods that we've written for you and it'll deal with it all. There's less lines of code to do an awful lot more. You'll get into the Graph API really, really quickly. We've architected it, better naming conventions. We've got an API that allows you to get things done rather than reading Facebook's documentation. And we've updated their sample app, so you've got a nice thing to have a go and look at.
And if you want to check it out, that's the GitHub address. And just wanted to show you a bit of code. This is the entire code you need. The new SDK will automatically work out which app you are. It will sort out permissions and tokens and access and redo everything for you. And so, you know, you have one call to go, who am I, set an image, set the status, and, you know, even fetching albums. If you're not, it'll go and get the permissions for you, handle all the authentication, and